How to change your voice on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something fun and creative, how to change our voice on Discord mobile. So whether you're looking to prank your friends or just spice up your gaming session, then this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's just get started with the video. So, Discord Mobile doesn't have a built-in feature of voice changer, unfortunately, so you'll need to use another application. Some of the popular options include voice mode. So it is easily available on Play Store, and there are other applications as well as just like Magic Mic or voice changer with effects. I'm just gonna go ahead and look out for voice mode instead, which is free and accessible on any of the available app store, either on your Android or iOS. Just go ahead and download one of these apps from the Google Play Store or your Apple Store. After that, after once it is installed, open the voice changer application. Select the voice effect you want to choose or use, for example, robot, alien, or helium, and then follow the app's instructions to enable it as your default microphone. After that is done, what you're going to do is head over to your Discord mobile application on your device and just wait for the screen of the Discord to be loaded on your screen. After that is done, after you have successfully entered the Discord mobile, at the bottom right corner you can find your profile. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you're going to tap on the gear icon at the top right. And you're going to go to data and privacy and open up your user settings here. So here you just need to scroll down to voice and video settings here if you have that option available. After that is done, ensure the correct microphone is connected to the voice changer app that you've selected. Then you're just gonna go ahead and join a voice channel and start talking, and your altered voice should be now heard by everyone in the channel. So basically that's it, and that's how you basically change your voice on Discord mobile and have some fun with your friends. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite voice effect, and see you in the next video.